Hello, priceless people. And you already know what this video is all about by the title. But before I begin, let me fuel myself with some breakfast. To all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back, and one big hug from me to you. And to my many new subscribers to the channel, thank you so much for becoming a part of my family, and I'm so glad you're here. So hello, priceless people, and thanks for tuning in. So today is part 2 of my cleaning series, and I'm starting in the bathroom for a deep clean with me. My cleaning supplies for today are my Clorox all-purpose cleaner, my Dawn Power Wash, because it's not just for the kitchen, my Fabuloso, I love that scent, and my Lysol disinfectant wipes, and one more thing, it's over here. Old school, you know I'm old school, my Ajax. So let's get to cleaning. You see this? You see this grime on my cabinet? This is why you have to deep clean your home. So I'm starting with under the cabinet. I purchased these bins from Home Goods a while ago, and they are working out just fine. I use them to house my shampoos and my conditioners and all of my hair items. I pray you are having an amazing day, or had an amazing day if you're watching at night. I hope that this video will inspire you and motivate you to start your spring cleaning. You know, spring cleaning is something I learned at the age of 8 years old, when spring break for most kids was running around outside playing hopscotch and double dutch. But at the Johnson Ranch, it meant take the mattress off the bed, put the mattress on the porch, wash the walls down, let's clean out the closet. So it's something that's been in me since I was 8 years old. So spring cleaning, I'm used to it by now. So here's a tip for the video. See how well these boxes fit under my cabinet? It's because I measured first before I went shopping for my bins. Don't forget, measure first and everything will be organized and aesthetically pleasing. To all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back and one big hug from me to you. Thanks for stopping by today's video. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment below. If you're new here, welcome. And since you're here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel today. Hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. I purchased these towels from my favorite decor store, Home Goods. If you're enjoying my 2022 Deep Spring Cleaning Series, make sure you leave me a comment below. I would love to chat with you down there. Videos are posted on Tuesday and Friday, 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You will enjoy home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, shopping hauls, clean with me, singing, and so much more. Again, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel on today. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Follow me on Facebook at The Priceless Pearl Life. And again, follow me on Instagram at Katrina Johnson. Stay blessed, stay safe, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I'll see you in my next video.